Sit cross-legged with ease. Take your essential oil in one hand. Place a drop into your palm and gently rub your hands together. Bring your palms up towards your face. Inhale slowly through your nose. Let the scent ground you. Exhale fully through your mouth. Let your shoulders drop. Just stay here for a moment. Allow your nervous system to soften. This is your reset. Come to all fours. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Draw your belly gently in, creating that light lift through your lower abs. As you inhale, reach your right arm forward to shoulder. Exhale and return the hand softly back under your shoulder. Now inhale, left arm reaches. Exhale to return. Keep alternating one arm at a time. Let your movement be smooth and supported. Imagine the ribs hugging inward as the arm floats forward. You're not just reaching, you're resisting gravity with control. You might feel your abs working quietly to stabilize the spine. You might notice a shift in your weight. That's okay. Try to stay centered through the pelvis. This is about control, not speed. Even if it feels subtle, you're waking up the deep stabilizers. Stay on kneeling position. Spine stays neutral, belly gently hugging in. Take a breath to ground yourself here. Now begin. Inhale as you gently slide your shoulder blades apart. Protraction. Exhale to draw them gently together. Retraction. Your arms stay straight, elbows soft but unmoving. Let the movement live in your shoulder blades, not your elbows or neck. Inhale, widen across the back. Exhale, draw the blades toward the center, like they are gliding on glass. No collapsing, keep pressing into the mat to stay lifted. Imagine you're opening wings across your upper back, then sliding them inward again. This is subtle work, but powerful for posture and shoulder stability. Let your breath lead, expand, and return. From here, extend your right arm forward and your left leg straight back. Inhale to find length from fingertips to toes. Exhale, lower with control and switch sides. Left arm reaches, right leg floats back. Long line, no rush. Feel the deep core working to keep your spine stable. Imagine balancing a long line across the back of your pelvis. Your hips stay square, your belly gently drawing in. Inhale, reach and expand. Exhale, return and stabilize. No shifting, no wobbling, just quiet strength. Notice how the arm and leg float, not swing. Neck stays in line, eyes down towards the mat. Each repetition is a chance to reconnect with your breath. Let's finish with one more slow round on each side. Stay calm, stay steady. Let's start on your left side. Bring your left hand down underneath your shoulder. Left knee grounded. Extend your right leg straight out to the side, parallel to the floor, foot flexed. Right hand rests gently on your hip, elbow open. Take a breath in to lengthen through your spine. Exhale to lift your right leg slightly higher than hip height. Inhale to lower with control, keeping the movement smooth. No swinging, just strength. Feel the outer hip and glutes engage as you lift. Imagine a wall behind you and press into it with your heel. Keep your core drawn in and your ribs stacked. Neck stays long, jaw relaxed. You can even smile here, light and calm. This is a moment to feel strong and centered. Let's go for 3 more reps. Steady, deliberate, and gently release the leg down. Let's switch aside. Now bring your right hand to the mat, right knee underneath your hip. Extend your left leg long to the side. Same setup, left hand on your hip, foot flexed. You've already built control on one side. Now let's match it. Exhale to lift the left leg up. Inhale to lower slowly, keeping everything else steady. Focus on your balance, not just the leg. The lift comes from deep in the glutes, not momentum. Think of reaching your heel towards the wall behind you. Spine long, shoulder relaxed. The more stable you stay through your center, the more powerful each rep feels. Keep your breath steady, even as the muscles start to burn. Your sculpting strength with precision. Last 2 here. Soft face, strong body. 1 more, and slowly lower to finish. Sit with both knees, right hand rests beside your hip, fingers gently pressing into the mat. Left arm floats up beside your ear, palm facing inward. Take a breath in to lift through the crown of your head. Exhale to arc over towards the right, reaching your left arm across the room. Let the left side of your ribs open like a fan. Imagine space blooming between your hip and armpit. Keep both sit bones grounded. Don't let the left hip pop up. The stretch should feel full but never forceful. Inhale, pause, and soften into the shape. Exhale, reach a little more as if drawing a long rainbow across the sky. Let your gaze follow the movement if it feels good. You can even close your eyes here. Let it feel internal. 1 more breath into your side body. And slowly float the arm down to return to center. Now find your mermaid shape on the other side. Left hand rests gently on the floor, helping anchor you. Right arm lifts beside your ear. Feel the right side of your waist grow tall. Inhale to prepare. Exhale to arc over to the left. Right arm tracing a soft curve. Notice how your right ribs expand with the breath. Keep the right hip gently grounded into the mat. You're not trying to go farther, just deeper into awareness. Let the breath move through your whole side body. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, soften. Neck and jaw stay relaxed. Maybe you notice the scent of your oil again. Just a faint note grounding you here. You're exactly where you need to be. 1 more breath, long and light, and gently return to center in your own time. Lie on your stomach, arms reaching forward into a soft, wide shape. Keep your forehead slightly off the mat and let your legs be long and heavy. Take a deep breath in. Feel your belly expand into the floor. Exhale, gently engage through your abdominals and press the pubic bone down. Now, as you inhale, begin to slide your arms down and in, bending the elbows slightly to form a W shape by your ribs. Exhale, return to wide with control, reaching long through the fingertips. Let this feel like your shoulder blades are gliding on your back. No lifting of the chest, just pure upper back precision. Imagine you're squeezing a sponge between your shoulder blades. Neck stays soft, gaze down, no strain. Inhale, slide and squeeze. Exhale, reach and release. Let each repetition bring more awareness into your mid-back. You're repatterning posture from the inside out. Let's go for 2 more slides, slow and smooth. Stay lying on your stomach, but this time, bring your arms down by your sides. Palms face your body, fingers reaching toward your feet. Let your forehead rest gently on the mat. Take a breath in to feel the belly expand downward. As you exhale, draw your abdominals in and press gently through the pubic bone. Now inhale to lift both arms just slightly off the floor. Exhale to gently squeeze your shoulder blades together as if sliding them into your back pocket. Keep your chest down. This is about the upper back, not the spine yet. Neck stays long, the back of your head reaching towards the wall behind you. Imagine your fingertips brushing past your thighs as you float the arms higher. Inhale, hover and lengthen. Exhale, glide the blades in. Let the breath move with your effort. Come into your child's pose, letting the hips melt toward your heels. Arms can reach forward or rest beside you, whatever feels supportive. Let your forehead connect to the mat. Take a deep breath into the back of your ribs and exhale. Let your spine soften and settle. Maybe you catch a hint of the oil you used earlier, Fang, grounding. Let it anchor you here. This is your pause, your reset, and if this moment helped you feel more connected, I'd love to have you here again. Gently tap the like button or follow for more flows like this.